We can now add images or legends on keycaps, and in this first test it worked well, and it's time to scale, but version 2 warps. Therefore, I reprinted jig 2 in different materials, and now that the jig is actually flat, I could load keycaps on it. Then I align it on the machine on the X and Y axis, and after doing that, I add a piece of tape, such that it would print on the tape and I can remove it and test a bunch of times without wasting the keycaps. Then the Z height is programmed into the machine and the print is launched. Now I would cover it, but for this video I'm leaving it uncovered for the time-lapse. After printing, you can see that it's very close to being centered. It worked really well, but the keycaps themselves can still tilt a bit, which causes a misalignment on the legend. Therefore, version 4 of the jig will work on addressing that. Thanks for watching!